let's move into taxes. Go back up to the top left and click on the WordPress logo. Let's go down and find plugins. Click on add plugin. And here type in WooCommerce Tax. Then you want to find WooCommerce Tax here and click install now. Click on activate, then go back to WooCommerce, click into settings. Now scroll down and you're going to look for enable taxes. Go ahead and enable tax rates and calculations. We'll check this on. Then scroll down and click on save changes. Here you'll see this pop-up that says connect your site to activate WooCommerce Tax. This is going to be the final step to set up automated taxes. So click on connect. And here you'll have to create an account with WordPress.com. Technically, WordPress.org and WordPress.com are separate websites, and the WooCommerce Automated Tax plugin requires some functionality from WordPress.com in order to work. So enter your email address right here and click continue. And it will automatically connect your account. And with that, your setup is complete. I'll click on Got it, thanks. Now, the last thing we need to do before automated taxes are enabled is clicking into the Tax tab here at the top, and here change Disable Automated Taxes to Enable Automated Taxes. Now let's go down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. And here's a quick note about automated taxes. Whenever you enable automated taxes with WooCommerce, it's going to automate taxes specifically for the area that your business is registered in. And in my case, that's going to be Texas. And if you need to collect taxes in other regions, then you're going to have to input those regions manually. If you have questions about where and when you can collect sales tax with your e-commerce store, I would recommend talking with a tax professional. However, if you need to add manual tax rates for different areas, go to the top here and click into standard rates, then click into insert row. Start by inputting your country code. So for example, here I'll do US and select the United States, then input your state code, zip code, city, the tax rate you want to charge. You can give it a name, and you have some other miscellaneous settings here. Once again, I would recommend consulting with a tax professional to make sure that everything is legal and proper when it comes to your e-commerce website. I'll go back up to the top here and switch back to tax options. As a beginner, just turning on automated taxes for your e-commerce website is a great start.